G'day people, today I'm going to show you how to make pink paint with white and red acrylic paint. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today we have titanium white and cadmium red. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to put some white paint onto our palette. I'm using a bit of cardboard today for our palette. So we put some titanium white on our palette. And then we've got our cadmium red here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to add a little bit each time to our paint. Okay, this time we're going to do it different. So we put a little bit of paint there. And then we're going to mix that up. Okay. Okay. I'm going to add this to the paper. Okay. Okay, so we just add a bit more red paint to the palette to make it darker. And as we go along, we just add a little bit more each time we want to make it darker. Okay, so every time we change it. Add a bit more. Each time you add the paint, each time you add the red paint, it gets darker, okay? So there you go people, that's pink acrylic paint. We've got some different shades of pink here. I hope you liked my video. Give us a like. We'll see you all later.